I'm making apple pie, yes, because I need to practice how to make desserts before Christmas and I need to practice my baking skills. So, first, we're going to chop the apples and then I put some butter in the pan to get hot whilst I sort out the rest. And then I get my replacement for cinnamon powder, which is biscuit spread. Why? Because this butter, wait, why am I saying butter? This biscuit spread has cinnamon powder in it. So if it has cinnamon powder, it would taste like cinnamon, hopefully. So I added it to the butter. And I'm gonna put some corn flour to thicken the sauce. By the way, I'm making an apple pie sauce filling thingy. And I saw someone add some corn flour to thicken it up. So yeah, that's why I'm doing it, yeah? Now I added back the chopped apples and I'm just gonna stir it whilst the heat is on low. I didn't have lemon juice, but I had orange juice and I thought that could work to add some acidity to the applesauce. I'm now adding some sugar and I'm adding a lot of sugar. You're gonna get some milk now and add your milk to the pan. Stir the pan now and incorporate all the ingredients together. I thought that I needed some more milk, so I added some more so it was nice and creamy and dry. Another ingredient replacement idea for vanilla. Use vanilla flavoring. After turning the apples around, I'm now going to focus on making the pie crust or the puff paste. I added some cold butter, very cold butter from the freezer into a heap of flour and I kneaded it. I rolled out the dough and I cut it into fancy shapes. I don't know, just made it up as I was going along with this. I put a load of apples on the dough to be folded up like a meat pie kind of shape. If you've seen a meat pie, you know what I'm talking about. Time for the egg wash. Just get an egg, crack it in a bowl and put it on your dough. You're probably wondering, where is the handle for your brush? Where's the handle? Girl, I don't know. We asking the same questions here. I was looking for a horizontal video of the outcome of my pies and this is what I got, guys. I didn't record it, but I recorded the vertical video and as you can see it looks lovely. I even had to put some powdered milk on it to see what it would taste like, to know what it would taste like rather. And look at the inside, it's so yummy. Thank you for watching my video and I hope you come for the next vlog.